Hello, OpenChat Bot developers, and welcome to this quick tutorial about setting up your local OpenChat dev environment using Docker. We'll keep it very simple, just pulling in the image and running it, and we'll just go over through some of the things you should probably know. We'll do all of that within a terminal using Docker commands, but you could also probably use Docker desktop. Now, that is unless you have ARM64 architecture, in which case you probably just need to pull the image yourself manually via terminal, just like we're going to be doing. Okay, so to start off, let's just make sure that the app is not currently running. So if we go to our tab where we're expecting the app to run eventually on port 5002, as you can see, nothing comes back. If we do Docker PS, just to make sure that no containers are running, you can see here there aren't any. And let's just list images. As you can see, we don't have any images locally, so we have a clear environment that we need to set up. The first step would be to get the image. And to do this, we can quickly jump over to our OpenChat repository and find the Docker and Bots section in which we will have the command to pull the image already prepared for us. So we can conveniently just copy and paste it here, then press enter. Now, it'll take some time for the image to download, depending on the speed of your connection. It is very important also to note at this point that if you get any auth errors when downloading the image, you can simply do Docker logout and Docker login again to go around it and hopefully resolve all of that. Okay, right, so we have the image downloaded. We can do Docker image ls to confirm that the image is available, and as you can see here, it actually is. The only thing left to do now really is just run the image. So let's go back over to our README file. Let's find the running the image section. We have another command here that we can copy. There we go. And then paste within our terminal, press enter, and there we go. We have the Docker containers running right now. We can do Docker PS to confirm this. Important thing to know about running the container itself is that it will take probably up to a minute for the DFX within the container to connect to the local network interface. During the time, you can access the UI, but it may not work correctly, but it will start working correctly once the DFX is available. So let's go back into our browser and let's refresh this tab again. Okay, there we go. And we have the OpenChat UI running on the localhost port 5002, and if we press launch app, we should be able to get into our communities. Now, this is the problem I was talking about. Now, if you see this spinner just showing up there, not actually happening, just give it a bit of time until it starts working. Yeah, so there we go. Now everything is being set up and it is working as expected. At this point, you should have all the local environment set up for you to develop your own bots. In case there are some features that may not have been released with the image yet, you always have the option to build the image yourself. On how to do this, we can always refer to our README and building the image section here, where you can find instructions on how to do this. It's not very complicated, but it will take about 10 plus minutes for that image to be built. I think that's basically it. So let's wrap it up. Okay, so some of the key points that we should take away from this is that the image itself should work in Linux, Mac, and Windows. Due to limitations we have at the moment, we can only provide AMD64 version of the image. Hopefully that will change soon. In case of any issues with authentication when pulling the image, please use Docker logout and Docker login commands to resolve it. And for any features that you might need, which haven't been released with the image yet, you can always build the image yourself. Okay, and that's it. In case you have any issues or just want to reach out, we're always available with the dev team on the OpenChat app, and hopefully this will help you get started on the right path. Finally, happy coding to you all.